Hello friends, I have come up with surgery of ellipse, and you will find that all the components of body of the ellipse are visible to you, and you will learn a lot how many secrets ellipse is keeping in its body and how to know which parts are which. I will tell you in detail in my coming video, which is I am bringing it right now here only. See and enjoy the surgery. Dear friends, surgery is starting right now. First of all, we will see the parameters of horizontal ellipse. Look here, this is the center of the ellipse, where x-axis and y-axis are intersecting. Origin is the center in this. This is focus number 1, this is focus number 2. Its name is S, its name is S dash. Its coordinates are AE, 0 and its coordinates are minus AE, 0. Now let us go here. This is the vertex A0. This is the vertex minus A0. Now after this, let us go here. This is the directrix. Here x is equal to A over E. Here is the another directrix. Its equation is x is equal to minus A over E. Look here, this is y-axis. This x-axis from here to here is called major axis. Its length is, from here to here it is A. This is A, 2A. Lengthwise it is 2A. Major axis is 2A. From here to here it is B. From here to here it is again B. So this is 2B. Minor axis is 2B. And now equation of the ellipse is given here. X square over A square plus Y square over B square equal to 1. Where B square is equal to A square into 1 minus E square. E की वैल्यू 1 से कम है, इसलिए 1 में से घटाएंगे. So on solving this, you will get the value of E as under root A square minus B square over A. Now let us discuss its components one by one. Center is O, 0, 0. I told you this is center. Or, अच्छा. Vertices are A dash and A. A dash is minus A, 0. A is A0. Major axis AA dash is 2A. Minor axis, major axis is this, from here to here. This is the major axis. And this is the minor axis, which is equal to 2B. B, B dash. Foci are 2. S and S dash. Its components are plus minus AE, 0. Latus rectum. Yes, see here. L, S, L dash. Perpendicular on this axis, major axis, passing through the focus is called latus rectum. So there are two latus rectum, one is here, another is here. So length, now look here, latus rectum is L, S, L dash and L dash, S dash, L dash, L1 dash. Now end points of the latus rectum. This is AE, B square over A. other is minus AE comma B square over A. So now equation of lattice rectum. Look here, here x is equal to AE or minus AE, plus minus AE. So this is plus minus AE. And directrices are Zm and Z dash M dash. This is Zm, this is Z dash M dash. And equation of directrix is x is equal to plus minus A over E. Look here, this is A over E, this is minus A over E. So equation of directrices are plus minus A over E. And distance between the focus, it is 2AE. Look here, from here to here, this is AE. From here to here, lengthwise it is also AE. So 2AE. And distance between directrix, this is A over E, this is minus A over E. Distance will be 2AE. 2A over E. Distance between a focus and directrix. Directrix is A over E and focus is AE. So distance will be AE minus AE. A over E minus AE. So these were the all parts of this. Now we'll see some important concepts on ellipse. Now look here. These are the important concepts. The sum of focal distances of any point on an ellipse is always same. That is, it is equal to length of the major axis. याद रखिएगा कि कोई भी पॉइंट इलिप्स के ऊपर ले लेते हैं, ये फोकस यहाँ पे फोकस है, दूसरा फोकस यहाँ है, दे आर कॉल्ड फोकल लेंथ, दिस इज फोकल लेंथ. दूसरी फोकल लेंथ यहाँ दूसरे वाले फोकस से होएगी यहाँ P तक. Its sum is always equal to, its sum is always equal to 2A equal to major length of major axis. So its length is equal to major axis. The parametric equation of an ellipse x square over a square plus y square over b square equal to 1 is x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b sin theta. अगर हम यहाँ x की जगह a cos theta लगा देंगे, y की जगह b sin theta लगा देंगे, it will be satisfied. So the parametric equation means it is in terms of the trigonometry. So x is equal to a cos theta, y equal to b sin theta is the parametric form. Now let us go further. The equation of tangents and normal at a point x1, y1 on ellipse x square over a square plus y square over b square is equal to 1 is xx1 over a square plus yy1 over b square is equal to 1. So, and equation of normal is a square x over x1 minus b square y over y1 is equal to a square minus b square. Concept number 4. Let s is equal to x square over a square plus y square over b square is equal to 1. S1 is when you put the point x1, y1, it is S1. And t, the tangent is already we have discussed, it is xx1 or a square plus yy1 over b square. So when you put here, ss1 will be equal to t square. T is the tangent. Now let us go to next concept. Position of a given point with respect to given ellipse. This is the ellipse. S is equal to x square over a square plus y square over b square is equal to 1. And S1 is, we have already discussed, we have put the point here from whose position we want to know. So P is the point, x1, y1. Just put it here. Okay. S1 is greater than 0 when the point is outside. S2 is less than 0 when the point is inside. S3 equal to 0 when it is on the, S1 is greater than 0 when it is outside. S1 is less than 0 when it is inside. S1 is equal to 0 when it is on the ellipse. Now, next, maximum area of the triangle inscribed in an ellipse. This is equal to, this is the equation, this is the ellipse. This is 3 root 3 by 4 AB. Next, area of the greatest rectangle inscribed in ellipse. It is x square over a square plus y square over b square is equal to 1 is 2ab. Very simple. Next is, if f1 and f2 are the foci of the ellipse, x square over a square plus y square over b square equal to 1, and p xy is variable point. Look here, this is the variable point and they are the foci. The area of this triangle P f1, P f2 is given by ABE. All these three parameters are multiplied, A, B and E. So this was all in the surgery of ellipse, horizontal ellipse today, and we'll go ahead with other magic tricks for dealing with the questions in our next video. Thank you very much. God bless you. Good night. Please like the videos and share it among your friends and subscribe it if you like it. Thank you very much. God bless you.